It's a lifestyle TV.
Hello lovely people, today we are here at the 2024 Cayman Islands car show. There are a lot of cars rolling in now. Hopefully the weather doesn't disrupt what we're going to be doing here. It's Johnson on the Lifestyle TV. We're going to be showing you the best of the best cars in the Cayman Islands. Yo, Ross, get closer. Can you tell us about your car?
Oh, well, this is a 1994 Mark II 1JZ90. Moves like a 1JZ 2 million. Yeah. Yes. As you can see, fiber carver. Yeah. Yes, the clock, everything. This was interior done by a good friend of mine. He's on the island. All Gucci out. Yes. As you can see right here. Yes.
This car is a Gucci car.
Gucci lane.
I like this car, man. Really great and sick interior. Yeah. Do you have more to say about this car?
Yeah, well, you know, as I said before, I had it for a long while. It's almost 32 years now, 31 years plus tax. Yes. It's, as you can see, these rims don't come out yet till 2090. Yeah. Don't look for these
I like that vibe. I like that vibe.
Yes. You cannot find it. Good try. You have to ask Ling Wong, Ping Wing, and the Jet Li family. Yes, I'm from Charlene Temple. This is Gucci Li.
Gucci Li, that's a really sick car right here, and we love it. Great interior, and you're gonna be seeing all of this good stuff on the Lifestyle TV. Thank you, sir.
Big up.
So now tell us about this car, man.
2006 Mitsubishi Evolution 9, nicknamed Jezebel. Bought it from Japan, bone stock when I brought it in. Did everything from scratch with the help of my team. Mad scientist isn't here right now.
Yeah, this looks like some Jamaican vibes going on there.
Definitely, you know, we have to represent the culture.
I respect, man. I appreciate you.
Is it the calipers?
Whoa, what a sound. Tell us about this car, bro.
Yeah. I'm Johan. This car is a R33 2J swap. Built by No Limit Camp here in the Cayman Islands. We have the whole team here. Evolution, David, Evo 9. Then we have the Supra Bad Dog.
Okay, so this is all part of your team.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks sick, man.
Yeah. This is the Evo 9 with the sequential gearbox.
Okay. So keep telling us about this.
Yeah, so this is my little project. Just something to have fun with. We have a 7586 precision turbo.
Yeah.
Fully built motor.
Nice.
Some nitrous with a TH400 transmission, automatic. We run skinnies at the front, small wheels, just to help with the steering. And we have some 15s at the back.
Tell us about your gear shifter.
Yeah, so this is our shifter for the TH400, 3-speed. You know, we have our tran brake, line lock, everything. Just a little fun car.
Man, this is cool. Appreciate you. Alright, tell us about this baby here.
How you doing?
I'm doing well, sir. How are you?
Good, man, good.
Alright, cool.
This is a 2003 Ford Mustang Cobra SVT. Coming from Ford Special Vehicle Systems here, right? Here comes standard 32 valve V8, 4.6 liter. They have a standard supercharger, they come on it, but this one has an upgraded supercharger, which is a Kenny Bell.
Okay.
And adds a little bit more to what it had from before, and moves over very well.
Yo, we love your Cobra.
Yeah, man. I mean, they have a nickname for him called the Terminator.
Yeah. That's cool stuff, man. We appreciate you for showing us a really great car here. Thank
man.
you, sir.
Come with a standard 6-speed Trimic manual gearbox.
Nice. Whoa, this looks like a monster. Do you want us to tell us about your second car as well?
Sure. This is a 2009 Mercedes SL65. Has the Rentec air intake system on it. It's a V12 twin turbo.
Twin turbo.
Yeah, man. He's a big beast as far as the torque goes. Plenty of torque on this when you're moving off from down low.
Okay. Okay, we love Mercedes.
Luckily, it has all the computers to help keep it straight, but I wish they would turn them off so I can feel it, myself, because I like to drive.
Okay, that's really good stuff. Thank you. We appreciate your time.
Yeah, man.
Okay, Junior, you got 4 cars out here.
Yeah.
But this is the one that catches my attention. You want to tell us about it?
All right. It's a 1970 Mark 1. It has a 351 Cleveland engine inside. I don't know the horsepower, but it's probably in somewhere range between 300 and 400. It's not built necessarily for speed. It's a show car. It's an antique, and I bought it a couple of years ago, and like 3 years ago now. And it's while it looks really nice and so forth, it drives like an old car.
Nice.
Yeah.
Lovely.
And so
what about the interior? Can we just check it out really quick?
Yeah, come right in. The interior is just as good as the exterior there.
Oh, shit, sick. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
And it came with a factory air condition as well, so it has air condition, and which is not as cool as the newer cars nowadays, but you get that as well.
Oh, this is great. Lovely. It's nice talking to you, Junior.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate you. Okay. All right.
Respect.
Whoa, that's a monster. Look at the interior. Look at those gears. Man, that's sick. Hey, do you want to come outside and tell us about this engine?
No problem.
Whoa, man. What's up, boss?
Respect.
Yo, man. Tell us about this car.
Alright, this is a authentic 1997 Civic Type R, but it's a K20 all-wheel drive. So we got 4 wheels spinning, no front wheel drive, 4 wheels spinning. Yeah, so it's a full built motor.
Yeah.
As I said, big turbo.
Did you get it built in Cayman Islands?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's sick.
Built by friends and family.
Beautiful. We love this.
All the stuff done
Thanks for
in the
putting your
States.
car on the Lifestyle TV.
Respect.
Appreciate it.
Cool, man. Take care.
All right, cool.
G'day, darling.
Whoa. Do you want us to tell us about your car? Tell us about your car, sir.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, man. How are you?
This is a 1971 Corvette Stingray Chevrolet, and I've had it for about 6 years. The special thing about this one is it's an LT1 model.
Wow, that's really cool. Thank you for putting your Corvette on the Lifestyle TV. We really appreciate you.
V6.
Whoa, this is sick. Do you want to tell us about this car?
Yeah, it's a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air. All original, all numbers matching. My grandfather bought it. This is what he went to sea for in 1957 to buy one of these. He got it back in 1987, and he recently passed away, and I inherited it. And yeah, I just keep it up and win car shows.
This is really cool. You want us to see the interior?
Sure. I would drop the top, but the rain is kind of iffy.
Yeah.
But yeah.
That's the handbrake right here, right?
Yes. It has a 283 small block V8 in it. 2-speed power glide transmission, all original, exactly the way it was made back in 1957.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, it was sent to New Orleans to get restored, but they did a full chassis off restoration. But what they did was what they call a nut and bolt restoration.
Yeah.
All of the original nuts and bolts were put right back on it.
Nice.
It was all documented and all cataloged and put back on.
You want to tell us about your second car?
Yeah, that's a 1987 Buick Grand National. Has a 3.8 turbo V6 in it. I just recently got it. I have two sons, so I don't want them fighting over one car, so I had to buy another one for the other son.
Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. Can we check the interior as well?
Sure.
Oh, that's
This one's also automatic. This one has a little bit more luxuries than the last one because the convertible doesn't have AC. This one has AC.
okay.
And everything. It's a T-top car.
Yeah. Anything special about the engine, the hood?
Well, yeah, the engine is a V6. It's a T-top.
Oh, can you fly that again? Oh, that's sick.
So I can take those off and put those in the trunk. And
Let's see the hood.
and then like I said, the engine is one of the original V6 turbo cars out of the US.
That's a big engine.
Yeah, it's a 3.8 V6. It's a small engine compared to what they usually have, but it came turbocharged and everything. I have a little bit of plans for this one.
Yeah.
So she'll have about
And you call it the back?
yeah. The Buick is a Buick turbocharged.
Okay, beautiful.
Yeah. It's a Buick Grand National.
Thank you, sir. Really appreciate you on being on Lifestyle TV.
Good buggy. That chunk man looking like a bag man.
Yo, tell us about this guy, man. Tell us about this bitch, bro.
This thing got this on a steel. It's a 2013 M135i, fully M spec. Running not even 40,000 miles on it. Just got it off a friend that migrated. Give thanks to him. Shout out KP out in UK. He did all the work though. You know, airflow, downpipe, 3-inch. Took the cats out. Bolt-on turbo, tune tranny, tune gearbox. Running about 450. Yeah, it's a sleeper.
Yeah, man.
It's a fucking
Thank you,
sleeper.
man.
No
Thank you for
badges,
putting your car.
no nothing.
Thank you for putting
Just
your car on
creep
the
up on
lifestyle
people here.
TV.
Yeah, man.
This is good stuff, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Respect, bro.
Appreciate that.
Don't know. Lifestyle TV, we gotta get their follow on that.
Yeah.
You're going to ask questions and I answer. Start it. Yeah, man. That's up.
Win, right? Do you want to tell us about your car?
Well, it's
Let's
a
go
20.
to the engine.
Yeah, it's a 2021 Mercedes-AMG GTR. Got a stage 2 DR tune on it. DR tune. It's running over 600 horsepower right now. Yeah.
Yeah. Tell us about it.
Yeah, it's running over 600 horsepower right now. And it's a safe remap done to the car. Doesn't feel like something from the factory anymore. Very aggressive. We've got 5 modes, 5 drive modes to it. Comfort, Intelligent, Sport, Sport Plus, and Race.
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, boss. We appreciate you putting your car on the lifestyle
Yeah,
TV.
man. Big
Thank
up,
you.
big up.
Whoa, whoa, you got 2 similar cars here. Grayish color and a really blue one. Do you want to tell us about it?
Yeah, sure. Sure. So this one is a 2000 GTT. Yep. 2000 GTT. It is in the iconic Bayside blue color. You'll see the factory paint code is TP2. This was resprayed by Bill at Hell's Paint Shop in Westlake. Good man, good lessons, man. But pretty much this car is completely stock with the addition, I guess, of a intake and exhaust. Everything else is pretty much stock on it. Just going to keep it that way as well.
Yeah.
The grey one now has a pile of bolt-on parts. Same motor, the same RB25 Neo Straight 6. I do plan to upgrade the turbo in the grey one. Looking for nothing too wild, maybe about 400 horsepower. But at the end of the day, the grey one is pretty much a daily driver. The blue one, I just take it out to these sort of events.
Nice. Man, we really appreciate you for putting your car on the lifestyle TV. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks so much for that.
Yo, 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 yo. This looks like a really sick car, bro. Tell us about this car.
Everyone. So it's a 2024 Honda Civic Type R. She's basically bone stock. She just has a flat air suspension, and she has an AWE track exhaust.
Yeah.
And then so far, I have a couple parts on order, and she's not in yet, but planning to get her a little bit more faster, turn up the boost. And
what about this?
so this is the airlift controller. This basically controls the bod. So if I want to put her a ride height, I just double press her and she goes up. But right now,
Oh, look at that. Okay, that's sick. What do you have in the trunk?
so
Tell us about what you got here in the trunk.
So in the trunk, I have a single compressor, 4-gallon tank. This is the airlift management manifold that controls all the air for the bag. So right, left, rear, and then other than that, that's everything.
Man, we appreciate you for putting your car on the Lifestyle TV. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Yes, boss. Tell us about your car, man.
Alright, so car has full airlift suspension, as you've seen in the box.
Yeah, the trunk.
Full body kit from X-Gen Auto. Rims are from Autohan. Bottom on Fitment Industries, and then stock turbo, everything internal stock, and that's it. Wooden floor trunk, vinyl, and then
Yes, sir. Thanks for putting your car on the Lifestyle TV. We really appreciate it.
no problem.
Tell us about your Porsche, boss. This is sick. Tell us about it. Tell us about
This is a 2014 981. They come with a small engine from factory, but we decide to move on and use the Carrera engine. So we have a 3.8. It's a bit bigger. All custom body kit from the GT4 series. Beside that, it's pretty much stock. The color is done here. We did this in our shop.
Okay.
Right? So
what's the name of your shop? Put it on.
Autolab. Here you go.
Autolab?
Here you go.
So you can get all your cars done at Autolab in Cayman Islands.
We do a lot of European cars, Audi, Porsches, anything. Happy to help.
All right. Thank you for putting your car on the Lifestyle TV. We really appreciate
Thank you.
it.
Love it. Thank you, buddy.
Yo, you almost destroyed my gear, bro. Man, that was the loudest car I've ever seen in my life. Tell us about this car, bro.
Yeah, so this car, my brother built this car, and yeah, so pretty much it's a family thing. So I'm the tuner, my brother built it, and yeah, so I have a few cars.
Man, we love it. What kind of car is this?
So this is a 95 Honda Civic, full all-wheel drive. I mean, it is a 7-second car.
Man, my ear is blocked right now. We really appreciate you for putting your car on the Lifestyle TV. Respect, boss. These are the best cars you can see in the Cayman Islands. If you really did enjoy this video, subscribe to our channel, Lifestyle TV. Like this video, share it, so we can get more people to see our great content. These are the best cars in the Cayman Islands. Peace out.
It's a lifestyle TV.